One of the most important features that we've included on the BottleTrade user profile is the Cyber Cellar. This is a place for you to upload and keep track and inventory of any beers that you may have stored away in your cellar, closet, pantry, or wherever else you may keep it in your house. As you can see here, I have a list of 5 different beers that are in my cellar, each with its own quantity associated with it. Uploading a bottle to your Cyber Cellar is as easy as clicking on the Upload Bottle button. This brings up the Upload Bottle pop-up, where you can associate a picture to upload with your bottle. Typing in a brewery name will bring up a list of breweries based on the first 3 characters that you've typed in. In this case, I'm using Dogfish Head. If you don't see your brewery name pop up, you can add a brewery to our BottleTrade network. Clicking on the Add a Brewery link will take you to the Add a Brewery pop-up page, where you want to fill in the brewery name, description, website, address, state, postal code. Any and all information that you can include will make the BottleTrade network as accurate as possible. Once you've filled out all the required fields, then you can just click the Add button and that brewery will be added to the network. The same concept applies for a beer. If a brewery happens to be in our system but a beer for that brewery is not, you can add a beer to our network. This is as simple as putting the brewery name, the name of the beer, the style of the beer via the drop-down menu we have available of all different styles, the ABV, the IBU, SRM, UPC if available, availability, and then a description if you wanted to add a description for that beer. Currently, the only required fields are the brewery and beer label fields, but as much information as you can include is always a better addition to the database. So back to uploading a bottle. Let's say I wanted to upload Dogfish's 120 minute. You can upload a picture, set the crop markers, rotate it if need be, hit the crop save button, and that'll place the picture in its thumbnail. You then want to type in the name of the brewery, in this case Dogfish Head Craft Brewery, and we have a 120 minute IPA. You can select the bottle size from all the different measurements, in this case 12 ounce. I have 2 bottles of it for the quantity. The bottled on date, now I know not all breweries have the bottled on date, but generally you might want to put at least the year that the beer was made, but you can put the year, the month and year, or the month, day, and year if it's got a specific bottled on date. In this case, I'm just going to put 2013. If you want, you can list the purchase price of the bottle. This includes the approximate cost of each bottle, so $20 for this out here on the West Coast. Here's where you can make it tradable or not tradable. So let's just say I wanted to trade this one. Then you have a description field. This is where you can tell the story of where you got the beer or how you got it, and then you can include hashtags which show up in our hashtag network. You can also set the privacy of this bottle, so if you don't want other users to see it and you just want to keep it as a private reserve in your collection, you can just click the private. Searchable will make this bottle searchable if people are searching for 120 minute IPA on the network. Once you've filled all this in, you just click the save button and it'll be added to your Cyber Cellar.